electric field E, a vector quantity, is a force per unit charge exerted on a test charge at any point. The electric field produced by a point charge is directed radially away from or toward the charge. So E बराबर F naught बटा Q naught and E बराबर 1 बटा 4 pi epsilon naught Q बटा R square unit vector R. As shown in the figure, the charge is positive, so charge is coming from the outward to the center of the conductor. Now the superposition of electric fields. The electric field E of any combination of charges is a vector sum of fields caused by individual charges. To calculate the electric field caused by a continuous distribution of charge, divide the distribution into a small elements. Calculate the fields caused by each element and then carry on vector sum, usually by integrating. Charge distributions are described by linear charge distribution. Density A, surface charge density rho, and volume charge density. Surface charge density rho and surface charge density sigma and volume charge density rho. As shown in the figure, a conductor has charge d2 on the axis at distance x. At P point, the force is F has a two coordinate in x direction and y direction. In x direction that is dfx, in y direction that is df by, and the radius is a, distance is x, so diagonal distance is r barabar root over a square plus x square. Now the electric field lines. Field lines provide a graphical representation of electric fields. At any point on a field line, the tangent to the line is in the direction of E at that point. The number of lines per unit area perpendicular to their direction is proportional to the magnitude at that point. As shown in the figure, a conductor has positive charge, second conductor is negative charge. From the negative charge, the charge is going towards the area, and at positive charge is coming towards the center of the conductor. Now the electric dipole. An electric dipole is a pair of electric charges of equal magnitude Q but opposite sign, separated by a distance d. The electric dipole moment P has magnitude P barabar QD, where Q is the charge and D is the distance between two charges. The direction of P is from negative toward positive charge. Electric dipole in an electric field E experiences a torque tau equal to the vector product of P and E. The magnitude of the torque depends on the angle phi between P and E. The potential energy U for an electric dipole in an electric field also depends on the relative orientation of P and E. Tau barabar P sin phi, tau barabar P cross E, and potential energy U barabar minus P dot E. As shown in the figure, there are two opposite charges in electric dipole. The dipole moment is P, force is QE, and F, and on the negative side force is minus QE. And thus we calculate the torque, dipole moment, and potential energy of the dipole. The torque of the dipole is P sin phi, and the potential energy of the dipole minus P cos phi. Thus we analyze